Let's see how to create a website using Wix ADI. So basically, this ADI is artificial design intelligence. So to create a website using ADI, we just have to create new site. And if you have Wix Studio, you can just build with the Wix editor. And now it shows the AI here and start chat. Here it's gonna ask you, let's get started with your site setup. First, tell me what your site is all about. I'm just gonna give them some informations in here. Like, let's say, for example, I wanted to have a creative video editing site. That's what my site's all about. And it's gonna tell you what are your main goals for your creative video editing business. So let's say to showcase my work in a portfolio and provide some services. Or it's like just chatting with the AI. What type of service you will be providing? So let's say it's editing videos like music videos mm, and mostly school projects. Let's just say it's like that. Then it will tell you any additional goals in mind, maybe selling video editing presets or offering online courses. You can say yes if you wanted to do that. You can also say no, no online courses just to showcase my editing abilities and skills, and then provide services. Yeah, that's it. Can you tell me about your business? It's going to ask you the history of your website or what's it all about. Then let's say for example, it's gonna generate something and then we're all set. When it's all set, just click go to dashboard and the AI is gonna set up a website for you. Or what's your website like? After the AI sets it up, then just go directly to design site right here. And then let's choose this generate a design with AI. Generate a design. Then AI is going to design a site for you. Going to design based on the information you have given them. And there you have it. It generates the first template you're gonna have. But if you're not satisfied with that, you can always click generate design or tweak design. So let's say you have the tweak design and it's gonna build something different for you. There's a version here. This is the second one and this is the first one. This one, and then we're just gonna generate some designs. If we don't like those two, here is another design that's been created. And if you like this design and we can go with this, just continue with this design. And it's gonna ask for complete site domain, but first let's just continue to the editor. Through that you can now proceed editing your site. You can edit the text here and edit the picture. You can make this big. This one's a strip that has 2 columns. You can manage that one. And you can add some more columns, or maybe you can just delete it. Delete the other column. You can have one. You can change the image and you click this You can change the image. You can upload medias from your site or just from Wix, or the AI could do it. Then here you can provide your services. You can manage your service right here. Here you can edit it. You can edit your service. You can add new service. There are some latest posts of your blog if you want to have that blog, but you can look at your pages right here. Here are all of your pages, and and when you click manage pages, it's gonna go here to the site pages and menu. So in here, you're gonna see all of your sites, like from the site menu, the blog pages, portfolio pages, and the booking pages. But if you don't want any of these, any of these apps, if you don't like the blog pages, you don't want to have a blog in your website, you can always click delete this blog, just like this, and delete app. But if you can't delete directly from there, you can go to here, my business, and here you see the apps, all the other apps, and you can just click this three dots and then delete app. And there, once we deleted that, this goes completely blank because that's where the blog is located. You can go ahead and click this and just press space to delete it. There, it's deleted, and there you have it. You can edit the sites now. And all the other stuffs right here can be found in the add elements button. Like the text, the image, if you want to add some like buttons, then the video and musics, it's here. Okay, all of them are here. A box, decorative, strips. It's right here if you want to design your website. And that's it. That's how to create a website using Wix ADI. See you soon!